part, if you can stand over there to look through that little rock. Yeah. In the see the bridge.
Oh, that's a nice view.
Well, the view,
actually.
the cave is over here, but if you go down, you'll be able to see the little heart in the in the rock. Actually, today is a really good trip. Let's turn it away. I know.
On cherchait des trucs, puis on va
You know what? I have lived here for many years, but most of us do not ever visit Sutro. Actually, I haven't visited this yet, you know?
I think that it's a common when you live in a place, like, you don't necessarily go and do all its attractions, right?
Exactly. Especially on the Golden Gate Bridge itself. It was the first time only that I just walked on that path, on that bridge, when my friend visited here. So I don't know.
My friend, when I go visit her in Oregon, she goes, you know what? She goes, every time you come, I see more of Oregon, and I've lived here for 27 years.
Right? Yeah, me too.
Years ago, I worked at a hotel, and this guy was asking me for directions to Yosemite, and I was like, I don't know how. You've lived here your whole life, and you've never been, and at that time I hadn't.
Yeah.
And he goes, you have to go. He goes, people from all over the world go there.
That's true, actually.
I did kind of lean this way.
Yeah, just kind of.
What's your name? Amanda. You're also here? Living here?
Oh, yeah, I'm from this side of the bay.
Okay. Oh,
but then I moved over to
freaking
Brentwood, Antioch area.
Okay.
But
okay.
I spent like all my life here.
Yeah. I used to live here.
Oh yeah.
In SF. Yeah.
Yeah, so you know.
Yeah. But I've never
I should have had my hiking boots. I didn't think we were gonna be.
Yeah, somebody stole this. Okay.
What the hell is
Yeah. Oh, wow, this is great. Oh, nice.
I wondered if it doesn't look like the tide would affect the water in here.
Uh-huh.
Somehow it did. Because it's all ocean water, right? Yeah. So the pipe could then come out. Hey, the cave is here.
The cave. Oh, this is so great. Oh, amazing.
I know.
Oh my.
You should look it up online, what it looked like back in the day.
Oh my God.
Spectacular.
Back in the day. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So this one is so different right now?
Oh, it was completely, it was a fancy place people came to get in these giant saltwater baths.
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. Let's go inside.
I waited a month, I thought they were coming.
Yeah?
It's wet in here.
Oh, wow, it's so cold, but it's fine.
I mean, who knows? Is it just that hold on to the humidity, or I don't know. I hate that I'm going to get sand on my shoe right now, but I'm not wearing my boots. But it's so cool on the other side of this. It's incredibly cool. Yes. It's worth it a lot. Oh no.
Oh no,
God.
God! Oh my God! It is
Awesome or what?
right.
That's what you're hearing. Yeah. Just vibration.
Oh
Yeah.
my God! Yeah. Oh my. Oh my God! The waves. So.
I think water probably crushes. That's what I was thinking. Oh, here it comes.
Yeah. Here.
So cool.
Oh my. What?
No, you just kind of see the other side.
Wow.
Well, sorry to be like this. Right? Yeah, go for it.
Yeah, you can go.
That though, these are the cool.
You want me to take a picture of you? Okay.
And then after that,
Yes, thank you. When was this?
I had a teacher that was her name.
oh, okay.
When was? I haven't seen this. Was this already established?
Oh yeah, it's been around.
Okay. Oh yeah. Oh. Okay.
So you see those holes?
Yeah.
I have pictures of my kids, like all curled in one of those, but they were little.
Okay. Mhm. Mhm.
You know what's
Mhm.
happening is, yeah, that's probably by the house.
Mhm.
All the way down to what do you call those? The museum.
Mhm.
Yeah, DeYoung
And then they usually have music there on Sunday. There's the Japanese tea bar and the ice cream truck and all this stuff.